In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view saved address in PayPal. If you need to check the address information saved to your PayPal account, this is a very quick process once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can find your saved addresses without any confusion. This can be useful if you want to confirm your billing or shipping details, make sure an old address has been updated, or simply review what's currently stored in your account settings. To begin, make sure you're already signed in to your PayPal account and looking at your account dashboard or summary page. Once you're there, look toward the upper area of the screen for the gear icon. This gear icon is the shortcut to your account settings, where PayPal stores your personal profile details and account preferences. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open settings. After the settings page loads, you'll be taken to the section where you can manage details related to your account profile. This area includes several categories, so take a moment to look for the option labeled View Your Addresses. In some cases, you may also see a number beside it, which shows how many addresses are currently saved on the account. When you find that option, click View Your Addresses. Once you open that page, you'll be able to see the addresses that are saved in your PayPal profile. This is the section to review if you want to confirm which address is set up for your account. If you have more than one address saved, this view helps you identify them quickly and check that the information is correct. A helpful tip here is to read through each address carefully, especially if you've moved recently or use PayPal for purchases sent to different locations. Even a small mistake, like an old apartment number or outdated street name, can cause problems later when making payments or confirming account details. So it's always a good idea to review this page every so often. And that's all it takes to view your saved address in PayPal. Just open the settings using the gear icon, then select View Your Address to see the details saved to your account. It's a simple process, but knowing exactly where this information is located can save you time when you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.